The Nikon Sportstar EX 10 by 25 delivers surprisingly crisp, bright views for such a compact folding binocular, making it easy to carry without feeling like a compromise on image quality. Multilayer coated optics and quality roof prisms give it excellent contrast and natural color, so distant details in daylight or overcast conditions remain easy to pick out. Its moderate 10 times magnification and generous, apparent field of view strike a good balance between bringing subjects closer and still being able to track moving action, like birds or sports play. The waterproof and nitrogen-filled construction, combined with a rubber-armored body, means it shrugs off rain, splashes, and temperature changes that would fog up cheaper binoculars. Comfort features, such as twist-up eyecups, a smooth central focus wheel, and a dioptre adjustment make it straightforward to fine-tune the view whether or not you wear glasses. Between the lightweight, pocket-friendly size and included strap and case, it works very well as an everyday travel companion for hiking, city breaks, or evenings at the theater.